Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lowell Tallulah, and I am here to do design team project for the Not Too Shabby Shop. Yay! Actually, I did several because I couldn't stop. So this, as you would have seen from a previous video, so I will try to remember to link that video below, where it is an unboxing of the My Love for Stamps and Scrappy Goodness kit that the Not Too Shabby Shop released this month. You can still go and find various items. I do not know if the actual whole complete kit is still available, but you can find all the individual items in her shop, and I will leave a link to the kit below so that you can at least get to that place. So I'm just going to quickly show you what came in the kit. Now keep in mind I've been using it, so it's not in its pristine condition anymore. There were some stickers and some die cuts. I have used a bunch of those. There were 3 stamp sets, and I've used some of the sentiments. Now I have stamped this one out and this one out, as you can see, but I haven't colored them up yet. I used this sentiment, this one, and this one. And because what I was using is smaller, I cut the stamp in half. So don't forget that you can do that as well. So if you did not want this to go across your page, you could say, "I miss you," comma, cut it right there. That's all on the next line. Same thing here, Happy Valentine's Day. So if you're really careful and have sharp scissors, you can do some cutting with these so you don't have, a big stamp if you don't want it that way. And then you can always go back and put it back the way it was. So that's what I did with those. Then there were also 2 packs of paper. Now, as you can see, I don't even have the label anymore because I kind of put a dent in this paper bag. And then you can see the other one, which I have not cut into yet. So you can see her pretty packaging that she had. And she had the same thing for this pad over here. I guess it's not, well, I guess it's considered a pad. And you can see how many pages were in this one. And I don't remember how many because, like I said, this cover page is gone because I was like cutting some stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to what I made. So this time I did not even touch the stamps because I used papers and, well, I did the sentiments, but I used papers and my die stash and the ephemera. So I first made a memory dex card. And so I cut the card out of, all of it is cut from the paper pack. And so you can see this layer here, and then there's a face on it. All of these were the ephemera pieces. So there's this one here, and then I stuck this one up on foam tape. I put some of these little hearts. Now this was the Latte Cup. So if you see the Latte Cup here, and it has different words. So let me show you that real quick in case you didn't see the unboxing. So it has different phrases. Well, this doesn't look right to me. Like that didn't look right. So what I decided to do was just cut the sentiment off like this, and then put this in here so it actually looks like cupcakes and then ice cream. So I thought that was really cool, and I cut that off and then glued it to another one of the cupcakes. I also put some Nuvo, I don't know if, there it goes, some Nuvo sparkle pen on it. And then on the back I just cut another piece of 110-pound cardstock so you can see what that looks like on there. So it's sturdy, so right. And so that's the first one I did. Okie dokie then. The next one was more paper and more ephemera and more stamp sentiments. So I used my tonic box die. And then I used this die set here, which is a set of circles with the sentiment. So I didn't use the sentiment, but I did use the layering circle. I found some trim out of my massive stash, and I did these. So I did 2. And then this one. And then I love it because these, if you want something that you could fold flat, excuse me, and store, pillow boxes are awesome because here it is flat. You just poke those little edges there. Now you've got a little box. You use the finger hole to get into the box. Get your little goodies out. Flat. Okay. So I used the dove paper and one of the little doves, and then this. And then I took those circles and did layer them up, and you can see some more of that paper there. And another piece of ephemera, and this is one of her sentiments in the stamp set, so that it will look really cute like this. So you can put that on there. And then I did another one, and this was that stamp where it was "You Are So Loved This Way." I cut it, and then so I could have 2 rows. And then here's a piece of that paper that I cut with a different die and some more ephemera, and so it would just go on here, and you could put your to and from on the back. So I made 2 of those because they were so fun. So fun, so fun, so fun. And then for the final piece this evening, I made this. So it is a typewriter card. Yes. So, of course, you see I used plenty of the pieces of ephemera from there. I used the sentiment stamp from one of the packages. Here's another one. Then I put on 3 bows. Well, 1 bow is on this piece right here. Then I added 2 more bows with some foam squares. I did the backing layer for the card, and then it opens like this, and you can see some more of the ephemera here. And then you could put your message. You could handwrite your message or put a little message there. You could even put one here and then something there as well. This would also be cute as an easel card, but I did not do one. Can you believe it? So those are the projects that I did, not even really touching the stamped images, just the sentiments and the paper. Oh my gosh, it's so fabulous. All right, thanks for watching. Definitely go check out the video with the unboxing and go to the shop, and there's a 10% off code in the description, so don't forget to use that if you decide to buy something. And then I shall see you another time. All right, thanks for watching. You guys be safe out there.